In the world of big expedition trucks in North America, the
Mine
but a
not
lot
so
less,
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So out of 5, and we're going to break all the categories down into 5 points.
70,000.
Got it. When we look at these over here, the military spent a lot of money on them and really didn't drive them. I bought this one with 1,800 miles on it. I bought my last one with 2,500 miles on it. So pricing, you get a little bit more with this because you get it with a box on the back.
Yeah.
But you do get the clout of having that Gucci, that little bit
The
Mercedes.
Unimog.
Yeah, Unimog just rolls off the tongue. Stewart, Stevenson, LMTV M1079.
Yeah.
Kind of sounds like an old steakhouse going out of business.
The Unimog versus LMTV, I would almost say is like Lexus versus Toyota.
So I would give pricing on this truck because you can get a Habitat on the back.
The fact that you paid what you did and you have central tire inflation and the Habitat and all of that.
I'd give mine a 5.
Yeah, 5 for value.
Yeah.
I'd still give mine a 5 for value, but because you can't buy or build anything this cool for as much as I bought it for, it really just depends. When you're looking at a truck like this, you have to look at what your needs are, what you're trying to fulfill,
And what your wants are.
yeah, and how big your wallet is.
Yeah.
Because if you have Unimog money, you're probably not going to buy Stewart and Stevenson.
You Europeans, you can shut up. You get all the fun stuff like MAN trucks, so keep that to yourself.
Yeah.
But for us, these 1980s, 1990 vehicles, this is the cream of the crop. Well, it comes down to, it's basically a wash. Buy whichever one you want, but in the end, if you've got the cash you want, a Mog's the only thing you're gonna want.
Yeah.
If you don't have the cash, but you want something that's gonna take you anywhere, you can't beat this.
Yeah.
Value for money, the capability is ridiculous, but it just doesn't have a Mercedes emblem on the front.